Want to cancel JustFit subscriptions? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily cancel it. Well, if you're using iOS device, you simply need to head over to the settings. Inside settings, head over to your Apple account at the very top of the screen. In this page, head over to subscriptions and wait for a while for it to load. So in this page, you should see tons of different applications that you have bought the subscriptions of. Well, if you have also bought the subscription of JustFit, then it will be available to you in this page. Right now, none of the application is available because I haven't bought any one of it. But for you, if it is available, then simply click on it. And at the bottom right corner, you should see the option where it says cancel or remove. Click on it and then tap on confirm. After that, the subscription will be cancelled successfully. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.